The late-night phone calls, the office flowers, the platypus, it was all you. I was just another part of your plan all along.
How can you accuse me of something so diabolical? I'm your best friend, and you think I'm some kind of monster?
Just let one hostage go as a show of good faith. Then we can start talking about your demands.
Good faith? What does the two-faced cop know about good faith? Why should I believe a word you say?
No, she's got a point. Maybe words aren't gonna work this time. Call in the mimes.
Looks like we're out of sparkling water.
Hold on there, Ceci. You're just gonna let that go?
I mean, I can just go get some more.
Wrong! The only things you should be thinking about are who finished off the sparkling water and how big of a tantrum are you gonna throw.
Got it.
Alright, which one of you motherfuckers finish off the last of the fucking sparkling water?
What's going on out there?
They've got some sort of clowns coming out.
Clowns?
I told you, pigs, there's no point talking. I don't care if you're clowns or whatever. Good move. Now bring us that bus and nobody gets hurt. Huh?
What's happening?
Shut up! What is this? Charades? Oh, I get it. You're trying to tell me that there's gonna be some give and take to get what we want. Well, forget it. I ain't falling for that. Wait a second. Are you trying to tell me that I can't even trust my own crew?
What?
And we're back live in the final moments of what's been a gripping showdown between Canada and the USA. Here comes McGillicuddy. He's got a clear path to dunk this. Who got the monkey?
What? You're gonna believe some clowns over me? Why would I cross you? It doesn't make any sense.
Look, I don't trust anything that comes out of any cop's mouth, but something about these clowns. They make me feel something I haven't felt since I was a little kid.
What the hell are you talking about?
It's like a sense of magic, of wonder. When was the last time you felt wonder? Real wonder.
I don't know what you're on about, but would you please aim that gun in another direction?
Nah, see, I gotta believe that wonder still exists. And that means I gotta believe these clowns. And that means you've been playing me all along.
Wait! No!
See, this is what I'm talking about. Just wonderful. And it's not just entertaining. It's making me think about the walls we put up between us.
The hostages! They're gone!
Huh?